day everyone, I am Ken Jadonis Biscam 3C, a government scholar of GHCC, Dumiag Campus, and I am here today to discuss with you the parts and function of oil manual car. So let's start. First is the hood. It is used to protect the engine inside, and second is the screen wiper. It is used to wipe the rain and the dust. Third is the plate number. It is used to identify the car's owner and for its registration. Fourth is the spare wheel. It can be used when you have a flat tire. Fifth is the headlight. It can be used when you are night driving. Sixth is the windshield. It is used to protect the driver inside from the rain and the sun. Ninth is the rearview mirror. It allows the driver to see the back of the car without turning his head. Tenth is the brake. It allows the driver to simply park in the steep roads. 11th is the speedometer. It allows the driver to see or monitor the speed of a car. And 12th is the driving wheel. It allows the driver to change direction when you are driving. 13th is the horn. It allows the driver to warn the other drivers when you are approaching. 14th is the sunshade. It allows the driver to block the coming sun when you are driving. 15th is the driver's seat and the passenger seat. This allows to comfort the passenger and the driver. 16 is the clutch. It allows the driver to switch gear. And 17 is the brake. It allows the driver to apply it when it's needed. And 18 is the gas. It allows the driver to maintain the speed or adjust the speed of the car. 19 is the gear shift. It allows the driver to change gear when it's driving. 20 is the signal light. It allows the driver to warn them when you are turning left or right. And 21 is the brake light. It allows the driver to warn the other drivers when you are accidentally applying brake or immediately stopping. 22 is the roof. It allows the driver to keep away from the heat of the sun and the rain. That's all the parts and function of foreign manual car. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.